In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Canva Sheets. VLOOKUP is also referred to as vertical lookup, and it's used to vertically look up a value within a table, such as this. So it goes through the first column, then the second and third until it finds whatever you need. And here, in this example, we're going to try and find the price of a pen, for example. So let's try and find the price of a pen using vertical lookup. So to get started, type in equals VLOOKUP, and then vertical lookup is going to ask for what you're looking for. So we're going to look for the item called pen. So we're going to do double quotation marks and type in pen here. And then the second parameter asks for the rows range. In this parameter, you can just give it the whole table. So it's basically asking you where do I want to look. So just look in this whole table. So just select the whole table as that parameter, and that's it, even for each lookup. So the third parameter now. So the third parameter is the return column. So where do you want this vertical lookup function to search in? Which column do you want it to search in? I want it to search in the price column. So that column is the second column. So if you go 1, 2, this is the second column, which is the price. So you just have to put 2 here. And then is sorted, which is the final parameter. It just asks if this table is sorted or not. This table, if your table is sorted in alphabetical order, you can put true. If it's not, you can put false. But most of the time, you just put false if you're sure that your values are existing in the table. So you can just put false, just like that, and then hit enter. And as you can see, let me just change this to currency. As you can see, the price of the pen is $2. And if we want to look at the stocks of the pen, we can just put this as 3 for the third column, which is the stock, and it will tell you that there's 80 pens left. And if you want to know the category, just change this to 4, and you can use category. And if you don't really like using like putting numbers in to indicate which column you want to use, then you can use, instead of that, use the match function. And the match function I explain in another video. And yeah, but I'm not going to explain it right now since it will overcomplicate this example. But I hope that you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.